Alright, so what we got here is the E53 AMG 2022. It's now protected with the Ghost Immobiliser system. So a vehicle like this cannot be stolen because the Ghost will stop the key cloning thieves from starting and driving off. So when you turn the vehicle on, car will turn on. You got to put into gear. Car turns off. So you need to enter your code. So it's set to a demo button at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is fully customizable. You can make it what you want. You get 2 flashes from the high beams to let you know the code has been accepted. And now when you turn it on, put it into gear, you can now drive off. So if you want this installed on your vehicle, E53 AMG, to protect it, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.